Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in today's video, in today's lesson, we will deliver some interrogative sentences which is necessary important for those person who want to learn Arabic language as well as English language from basic. Friends, in today's video, we are going to deliver interrogative sentences, and in next video we will try to discuss about the interrogative sentence, I mean adwatul istifham. In next video we will try to discuss. So let us try to know about our today's video. Friends, first sentence, as you are seeing, as you are looking, what do you want? What do you want? You can say in Arabic language, ماذا تريد? ماذا تريد? Second sentence, what do you do? What do you do? You can say in Arabic language, ماذا تفعل? ماذا تفعل? Third, what do you say? What do you say? ماذا تقول? ماذا تقول? What do you see? What do you see? ماذا ترى? ماذا ترى? What do you like? What do you like? You can say in Arabic language, ماذا تحب? ماذا تحب? If you want to say what do you like to eat, then you can say ماذا تحب أن تأكل. Next, what do you need? What do you need? You can say in Arabic ماذا تحتاج? ماذا تحتاج? You can make sentences by using some more words. Next sentence, what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? You can say in Arabic language ماذا تحب أن تأكل? ماذا تحب أن تأكل? Sentence, do you like to go to market? Do you like to go to market? You can say in Arabic language هل تحب أن تذهب إلى السوق؟ هل تحب أن تذهب إلى السوق? Next sentence, do you like to eat fruit? Do you like to eat fruit? You can say in Arabic language هل تحب أن تأكل الفواكه؟ هل تحب أن تأكل الفواكه? Friends, these sentences is very easy, very important for those person who want to learn Arabic language from basic. We will discuss about the interrogative sentences in next video. Okay, thanks.